Sending your TOEFL and IELTS scores. How it's done. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of TOEFL and IELTS by looking at a pivotal step after taking the test: sending your scores to institutions. Whether you're applying to universities, scholarships, or jobs, knowing how to properly send your scores can make a significant difference in your applications. So, let's get started. After putting in all that hard work to study for and take the TOEFL or IELTS, your next step is ensuring the right people see your results. Here are some reasons why you'd send your scores. 1. University applications. Most English-speaking universities require proof of English proficiency. Sending them your TOEFL or IELTS scores fulfills this requirement. 2. Job opportunities. Some employers, especially in English-speaking countries, may want proof of your English skills before offering you a job. 3. Visa applications. Some countries may require these scores as part of their visa application process. 4. Personal records. Even if you don't have an immediate use, having your scores sent to an institution can be useful for future reference. Sending TOEFL scores is relatively straightforward. 1. Log into your TOEFL account. You'll need to access your test scores. 2. Select the Send Scores option. Here you can choose which scores you'd like to send if you've taken the test multiple times. 3. Choose the institution. Enter the details of the institution you want to send your scores to. There's usually a search feature to help you find your institution. 4. Pay the fee. There might be a fee associated with sending your scores, so be sure to have a payment method handy. 5. Confirm and send. After confirming the details, send your scores off. Sending IELTS scores is a tad different but still straightforward. 1. Access the TRF, Test Report Form. When you get your results, you'll be given one personal copy of the TRF. This is important for your records. 2. Choose your institutions. You can ask for multiple copies of your TRF to be sent to various institutions directly when you register for the exam. 3. Contact the test center. If you decide to send scores after taking the test, simply contact the test center where you took the exam and request them to send your TRF. 4. Additional fees. Just like with TOEFL, there might be fees involved, especially if you're sending scores to multiple places or after a certain period post your test date. There you have it. Sending your TOEFL or IELTS scores is an essential step in your journey, and we hope this overview has shed some light on the process. Remember, these scores can open many doors, so ensure they land in the right hands. Keep learning, and best of luck with your English proficiency journey.